In today's digital economy, security, speed, and convenience are no longer optional. They are essential. Introducing the iCard Agent Automated Customer Self-Service POS. One intelligent solution designed to simplify digital financial services. One secure transaction at a time. From card issuance to instant account opening, BVN creation, BVN linking, NIN linking, phone number updates, funds transfers, and many other digital financial services. The iCard POS solution brings everything together in one intelligent device. The journey begins. The customer selects funds transfer. Simple, fast, intuitive. The sender's account number is entered. The iCard platform prepares for secure authentication. Identity confirmed. Only the authorized customer can continue, because security comes first. A secure 6-digit one-time password is instantly delivered. The customer enters the OTP. Verification complete. Multiple layers of protection. One seamless experience. The beneficiary information is entered. Account number, receiving institution, savings or current account. Everything is clearly presented. The transfer amount is entered. Fast, simple, accurate. Before processing, the system displays a complete transaction summary, sender information, beneficiary details, receiving institution, transfer amount, applicable charges, total debit amount. Everything is visible, giving the customer confidence before confirming. The customer reviews the terms and conditions, accepts, and authorizes the transaction. Transfer confirmed. Behind the scenes, the iCard platform performs automated validation, account verification, balance confirmation, fraud protection, secure debit processing, instant beneficiary credit, all executed securely, accurately, and in real time. Transfer successful. A receipt is instantly generated, including the transaction reference, date and time, sender details, beneficiary information, receiving institution, amount transferred, and transaction status. The customer can download the receipt, share it, perform another transaction, or return to the home screen. This is digital financial solutions made simple, secure, reliable, intelligent, fast, built for financial institutions, designed for agents, created for customers. Anytime, anywhere. iCard Agent Automated Customer Self-Service POS. Delivering smarter digital solutions powered by intelligent automation. One device, endless possibilities.